السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. هذا زوجتي هذه زوجتي هي Jamila Karen, alhamdulillah. But yeah, she gonna give y'all her version of the Hoodlum to Muslim, how she came to Islam, inshallah ta'ala.
Ready?
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jamila Abdullah, and my husband wants me to tell you guys how I came to Islam. So guess I'll start. I came to Islam. Well, I took my Shahada April 14, 2018. Sorry, my babe. I don't know the Islamic date, but yeah. I had a friend, let's just say a good friend of mine that was practicing Islam, and I was going through a lot of stuff in my life. So at the time, I was just like, okay, why not? You know, if you're gonna have somebody close to you, and you know something that they're doing, you respect it. You know, you can educate yourself about it. And so I just started reading about it and looking at things on Google, and then I found my Wali now, my brother. Me and him, we knew each other a while back, and then once he knew that I was taking interest in Islam, he just started sending me lots of information and teaching me the simple stuff like, you know, Assalamu alaikum, and trying to help me with my al-Fatiha and things like that. So I just started studying it and watching stuff online, and I just became more interested. Like the nights would go by, and I'm just sitting there on the internet like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm just still studying stuff about Islam. So I just find myself becoming obsessed. And then I was like, well, you know, my family, I came from a Christian background. My grandparents, they own a church. My grandmother is an evangelist, and the list goes on and on. So I grew up in the background of being in church. And I don't know, I mean, I always had to go. It was kind of forced upon me, but I never really could say like I had a relationship with Jesus Christ or, you know, anything like that. But I just went because, you know, it made my grandma happy. But when I started studying about Islam, it was like, man, it was crazy, you know. I felt a connection with Allah myself, and it was like something I wanted to dedicate myself to all in one. So I was just thinking about it, and my brother was like, well, you're going to take your Shahada? And I'm like, yeah, am I ready? Am I not? And I just did it. And then after that, I just tried my best, and I've been learning my Al-Fatiha and reading Quran, and I met this amazing man during Ramadan, my first year fasting, and now I'm married. So things have been great. Alhamdulillah, I'm so thankful. But I got a long journey to go. I mean, I'm a new revert, but I'm ready to learn and do the best that I can. I'm trying to make it to Jannah with my husband, you know, inshallah. But yeah, that's my story. Nothing extra, nothing more. Assalamu alaikum.
Alhamdulillah. Wa alaikum
Alhamdulillah.
assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Barakallahu feek.